Today we're taking a deep dive into the 2026 Suzuki Thunder 125, a motorcycle that's bringing serious nostalgia while stepping confidently into the modern era. For riders who remember the Thunder name, this bike represents durability, simplicity, and everyday practicality, and for a new generation, it could be one of the most interesting lightweight street bikes to hit the market this year. The 125 cubic centimeters class has always been about balance, enough power to move confidently through city traffic, combined with excellent fuel economy and low maintenance costs. The 2026 Thunder 125 seems ready to embrace that formula while refining it for today's riders. At the heart of the 2026 Suzuki Thunder 125 is a compact single-cylinder, 4-stroke engine designed to deliver smooth, predictable power. While it's not built to break speed records, that's not the point. This bike is engineered for real-world usability. Expect steady acceleration off the line, responsive throttle control in traffic, and the kind of reliability Suzuki is known for. Paired with a 5-speed transmission, the Thunder 125 aims to give riders flexibility whether they're cruising through downtown streets or taking a slightly longer suburban ride. The gearing is typically tuned for efficiency and smooth shifts rather than aggressive performance, making it beginner-friendly but still enjoyable for experienced riders. Fuel efficiency is where bikes like this truly shine. The Thunder legacy has always focused on economical riding, and the 2026 version is expected to continue that tradition. With rising fuel prices and growing demand for cost-effective transportation, a 125 cubic centimeters motorcycle offers a smart solution. Lightweight construction helps maximize mileage, and the engine tuning is designed to keep fuel consumption low without sacrificing usability. For daily commuters, students, or delivery riders, this could be a practical and budget-conscious choice. Visually, the 2026 Thunder 125 strikes a balance between classic maintain. In a world filled with increasingly complex machines, there's something refreshing about a straightforward, dependable motorcycle. The 2026 Suzuki Thunder 125 also fits perfectly into the growing trend of practical motorcycling. Not everyone needs massive horsepower or high-tech rider modes. Many riders just want a dependable machine that starts every morning, handles daily commutes, and keeps ownership costs low. That's where this bike shines. It represents freedom in a simple, accessible form. Whether you're a college student looking for your first bike, a commuter wanting to cut fuel costs, or an experienced rider searching for a lightweight secondary motorcycle, the Thunder 125 checks a lot of boxes. It combines classic Suzuki DNA with modern touches, delivering a ride that feels both familiar and refreshed. As more official specs and real-world reviews come out, excitement will only grow. But even now, the 2026 Suzuki Thunder 125 stands as a reminder that sometimes, less really is more. Lightweight, efficient, affordable, and reliable, that's the spirit of the Thunder, and it looks ready to ride into a new generation. If you're into practical bikes with real-world value, this is definitely one to keep on your radar.